The first part, we need to play the high E again, high C, D. Do that again, high E, high C, high D. Okay? Next slide, you have the popular BAG that we work a lot on in class. So all you have to do is play high C before and after that. BAG, high C. Remember we did this fox, dog, peacock gesture in class? That's high C. Now back to low E. So I put a line under the E if it's a low E. So if it's low E, cover the back hole completely. G. Now A, B, go up. A, G coming down. Let's do this again. Play E, G, A, B, A, G, and we go to E, D, E. This one can be a little bit tricky if your fingers are not down completely. So make sure, remember, to keep them flat. This D is really tricky because it's got two tiny holes. Okay, so you can have your parent check your finger for you to make sure it's completely covered. Sometimes I see some of you doing this and you press really, really hard and it's still not completely covered. That's because you need to keep your finger flat like this, okay? Then you do the same thing again. And then you do A, B, C going up. High C. That's it. So you can just practice the slide that's really hard for you. You can repeat them as many times as you want, and I'm sending you the recordings so you can practice playing with the recording at home. It's more fun. When you guys get back to school, we will work on adding the percussion part and the xylophone parts to this. It'll be really, really fun, okay? Let's do from the beginning one more time. I'm gonna have trouble switching. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 getting ready. Ah! Okay. So that's how it goes. If you have trouble getting through any of the slides, just feel free to have your mom or your dad contact me and we can have an online lesson. Have a great rest of the week.